You have really desired a place close to the Atlantic area. Metrobay by Gracias is the hot deal at the moment, situated just behind the largest shopping mall in Lagos, off Monastery Road. Landmarks like Gracias Court 1, Gracias Atlantic and Diamond Estate. You can buy a piece of this property in different square meters. 500 square meter going at an introductory price of 6.5 million naira, 400 square meter selling for 5.5 million naira, and 300 square meter going for 4.5 million naira. All you need to do is to make an initial deposit commitment of 500,000 naira, and a piece of this property to be yours.
Yeah, show me love. I work hard. My brother man, I work hard just to chill. I live a life that's